Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today we'll talk about UNISWAP updates and the targets with my customer Sar. What's going on now? Let's dive in. All right, guys. The main targets for Uni, basically, you remember. Let's double check on a global chart. So everything absolutely is still the same, and we can use, for example, I don't remember exactly which one I'm gonna use that last time. Probably the Binance. Anyway, I hope we'll not drop to the initiation accumulation pump model. Guys, let's be real. Because, let's go back to daily time frame. Scroll it down here. This is one great example. So initiation accumulation pump model, it's not something would exist only in this year, So this model, I used it, even before, and it works. That's why if it works in some 20, in some 21, so I shared this now, and the people still won't believe it. So absolutely everything is still the same. Take a look. It was the initiation accumulation pump model, daily time frame, Binance listing. Here we got a listing. September 20, lowest point was 30 cents. The daily candle close was $3.42. After that, on the next day, I'm not counting that spike. On the next day, we pump it to $8.53. Everybody screaming, we're going to the moon. And after that, we landed to 23 level by FIB and to the OK zone to buy. The bad case scenario, guys, if we will now, we'll dump and continue falling down from $6 to $1.50 and 61 level FIB. Yes, $1.50 and 0.8. I hope not, but we get all chances down but later. Take a look. We tested several times the 27 block like support of initiation accumulation pump model. Now we hold the line, trying to hold the line at 61 minus 0.61 level by FIB of the same model. I hope we'll not drop to $1.50. We're already been at $3.33. And it's kind of bad because I explained to you, when we leave some round number, some beauty number like $3.33, zero, in many cases, we can come back and later grab that liquidity. I hope not now, I hope. And I hope we will go higher from these current prices. But guys, everything possible. If we use like a FIB, for accumulation. So this is a top. This is a support. Technically, you remember this FIB also. They made some 21, drop, bounce, 0.5, 27 block. Now we're inside again, 27 block. So this old zone is okay time for accumulation. I guess the UNISWAP is under regulation, will be, and or already now under regulation, everything okay in the United States with UNISWAP. So I think they will not shut down the platform, so they will not shut down the coin. Everything will be okay. That's why technically we can invest in this token. Now, if we use the global weekly time frame, now it's okay. Zone the range $7.24, $4.36. All this range, it's okay zone for like investment. Next zone of interest is $1.50. So two blocks, $7.24, $4.36, $1.50. You can buy with 3 limit orders, now $6, $4, and let's say $1.50. The average entry will be and can be like, let's say 3. After $3 now, pump to 6, you withdraw initial deposit, deliver it with the free tokens. I believe the Uniswap can hit 29 and 32. I'm not sure about a new all-time high, guys, this run. I'm not sure. But if we will, it's 64, 77. So this one. So just in case with all numbers, nothing to hide, right? So 29 round number, 61 level FIB, 32, 77. So all targets Let's check with my customer Sar what's going on now with this token, and you will understand what I mean. Here, this is accumulation pump. This was accumulation pump distribution. Now is the biggest accumulation ever. We never seen the biggest accumulation on history since the September 2020. It's good. So now it's more bullish than bearish, technically, guys. Monthly time frame, no gaps, nothing. Just liquidity pool. So I truly believe we will sweep that liquidity pool. Check ADZ, by the way, on a monthly. This is what I don't like. We're at the top on the distribution, but we can go higher. Direction, we under the middle line, so this is not a crazy distribution, definitely. Market, Uniswap, not overhype it, definitely. Disbelief on the market's mood, everything okay. It's more bullish than bearish. Last time when we trade in capitulation zone, it was October 23, we pumped it from 395 to 1947. Pretty good one. So sooner or later, I guess we will see the money, this one, money on direction. So the whales will start to accumulate. So I guess by end of March, I hope we will form the last lower point. Take a look the money power trade on. Sell, buyback, sell, no buyback. But at least we got money inflow. So guys, yes, my target is still relevant. We got a money inflow. How it playing out in history, you know. What I don't like, we don't have any signal to buy back or buy. It's kind of bad. This is kind of bad, guys. Monthly. I wish to see this bounce again to the top money outflow, because if not, we will collapse it down to $1.50. And we waste a lot of time again. But guys, in the moment, we can't know. But we can prepare ourselves to work with that zones. So at $11, I have zero interest to work with this token because there is a zero reason. You know, I have to make a decision now. I accumulate in range between the 7 and the 4, or I wait the lower. If the price not drop lower, I skip the token. For example, you have to build the logic. So nobody will tell you what is right. Nobody knows the future, guys. You have to make your own decision. Locally for intraday, it was a sell, take profit, buy, bounce. You can say, oh, it's not a bounce. What are you talking about? So in average, it was like 34%. It was pretty good bounce, right, on a spot. So guys, question only was size of initial deposit. This is money off, money inflow, RSI bullish divergence, MACD bullish divergence, signal to buy. So at least would be good to see again bounce over than this order flow, something like this one. So it's $6 and to 12. At 12, you can withdraw initial deposit, leave free tokens. So this is the locally, guys. All zones I showed you and explained you. And you can track everything by yourself. Take profit, guys. Here, what I don't like, we didn't test the buy line. Here we didn't test it. Just a few penny. The buy line till that time was $4.49, and we stop it at $4.70. And bounce it. Now we do the same things. So the buy line on Uniswap now on a weekly, it's $4.37 fundamental value of the stock, and it's $4.04 round number. Daily, we around the fundamental volume, 12 time frame. We tested a buy line fundamental value of the stock in $4.43 and bottom of 27 zone. Take profit 12 time frame 11.62, exit line 13.22. Daily time frame, take profit 14.96, exit line 16.91. So guys, all targets I showed you, all targets with updates explained to you. So I highly recommend you go and check free educational video how to work with initiation accumulation pump model, how to work with that FIB what I showed you today with the 27 zone, and highly recommend you go and check the main bull plan for Uniswap what I posted I guess a year ago or a year and a half. I hope you like this video. Write please in comment what you think about Uniswap. If you like to trade with my customer success what I showed in this video, just write me a DM, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.